Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to Lighthouse Tarot 369. Dear friends, I am present in front of you with the daily guidance and I am going to try to make it available every day for you. So let us see on 2nd December what is there for you. We have two piles, pile number 1 and pile number 2. Take a deep breath and decide your pile. Meanwhile, I am preparing for the reading. Alright, so we have pile number 1, all the cards here with us. All those who have selected this pile, follow your dreams. So you all need to follow your dreams and you have to be ready to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Let us see what the message is. Point out one special dream or ambition that you have vacillated about or postponed. What has motivated you to put positive actions on hold? Your goal? To determine whether your excuse is real, and if not, identify the real reason why you have delayed so that you can do something about it. So you need to actually analyze why have you delayed your plans of success, why have you delayed or postponed to follow your dreams, and then you have to start working on them. This is what is really important for you, pile number 1. You actually need to find out the reasons which have motivated you to postpone your actions. What was that? Why did you do that? Introspect, find out, and then terminate all those excuses. In case if the excuses are real, then okay, try to correct them, and if the excuses are wrong, then try to eliminate them. This is how you can move ahead in your life, in your day. The next card that you have is that of Two of Swords, which indicates very clearly that you will be confused throughout the day and you will be in a dilemma which action to take and which not to take. This is how there will be a conflict, intellectual conflict going on in your mind. What you need to do is actually you have to distance yourself from the situation and then analyze, try to find out the solution. That is how you will get the solution. Otherwise you will be in this mental fog only. So in this state of confusion, the best thing is to step back, analyze, relax, meditate, and then remove all the mental blocks. The next card that we have is from Angel Guidance, and which is saying it is up to you. So everything is in your hands only. You have to take the steps. You cannot wait for somebody else to come and help you out, or you cannot wait for some right time. It is all up to you. How do you bring this balance in your life? How do you come to some good conclusion, and how do you remove this mental fog or confusion or block that is right now there in your mind? This is all from me, pile number 1. If you liked it, please do like and subscribe my channel, and we'll meet again. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourself. Alright, so this is the reading for pile number 2. All those people who have selected this card, reclaim your power. So, pile number 2, you need to reclaim your power. Let us see what the message is. Today's lesson. Note one reason why you give away power in your everyday life and then ask yourself if that situation is worth losing your peace of mind over. Your goal to reclaim your power in a positive and mindful way. So you need to actually ask this question to yourself: why do you give your power away to somebody else to disturb you, to disturb your peace of mind? Nobody has the right to disturb your peace of mind without your permission. So you need to actually find out the reason why you are doing that, and then you need to stop doing that. And your goal for the day is this only, that you are going to reclaim your power in a positive and a mindful way. Next card that we have is that of the Star, and this card actually indicates that there is some good news that is going to come. You will receive some good news in the day today. This is a very positive card. And at the same time, this indicates that there will be progress, no matter that progress will be slow, but there will be progress in the day to day, whatever work you have been doing, whatever projects were there on hand, there will be some good progress in that. At the same time, this is the card of balance, complete balance in life, right? So now if you look at this, your previous card and this card, they make complete sense now, that you have to actually bring that balance in your life wherein you don't allow others to disturb you, and then you will be at peace with yourself, and then you will be moving ahead, because you will be getting good opportunities and you will be encashing those opportunities, right? The next card that we have is that of forgiveness. Here, you need to forgive others, all those people who have created some disturbance in your life or who have taken away your peace of mind, right? As this card has told us in the beginning. Or you need to actually forgive yourself as well, because in case if you are holding yourself responsible for all the problems or all the anxiety in your life, then you need to forgive yourself as well. So forgive and move ahead, because once you forgive, a major blockage is removed, and when the blockage is removed, then abundance is there already waiting for us, right? So this is what you need to understand, pile number 2. So this is all from me, pile number 2. I hope you liked the reading, and if you have liked it, please do like and subscribe my channel. We'll meet again. Till that time, bye bye, and take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much.